Let's walk through the process of registering an account. Start on the City webpage at Plano.gov/waterbill. Select the blue Make a Payment credit card image. This takes you to the City of Plano Utility Payment Portal. From the blue bar, select the Register Now button. On the Lookup Account page, enter your account number and the last name on your account in the fields. Click the Search Invoices button. Check the box for the account you'd like to register. If you only want to register the single account, below the invoice, click Register this account. The final screen asks you to enter and confirm your email address and password. When you're satisfied with the information and password strength, click the Complete Registration button. Once registration is complete, you'll be brought to the Your Accounts at a Glance screen. Here you can pay your bills, view previous bills, manage payment methods, and subscribe to services like AutoPay, paperless, and Pay by Text.